What's up guys? Today I'm going to review this Xiaomi Mi 90, which is a global version of the Xiaomi K20. It does come with a Pro series which is the Snapdragon 855 chipset. Rumors have been coming to the market in this month or soon later. I've get it the carbon black, which is 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM. Now this phone has been released around 2 months or more, but this is the first time I get it from my hand, and right now I'm going to unbox this phone. Let's see what inside the box here. Inside the box, we have a case here, a cardboard case, which includes a SIM card too. Inside, it does come with a user guide, which is in English because this is a global version of the Xiaomi K20, and it does also come with a case, which is a soft case and a matte finish. This feels so good, yet I can say it's not the most safety kind of case that you can get out there, but it's pretty much you can just use it as you getting other case at the same time. Right now, let's see. Here is the phone. We set aside the phone first, and let's see what the case includes. It does come with a USB-C Type-C charging cable, and it also comes with a 18-watt fast charging. If not mistaken, this is a 18-watt fast charging. Okay, right now let's set aside here. This phone does come with a maximum 25 watts fast charging, but you need to get it from other store. They never include it, and this does not support the SD card. So you can't expand your card slot, your gate RAM, but this is a 128GB ROM, so I guess for normal people is enough to use it. I get it the carbon black, which is quite nice. Here it comes with a red power button, which really stands out for the phone itself. Let's unwrap it, and here is the phone itself. You can see the black is not the normal black. It is like a carbon kind of black right here. It feels carbon. Actually, this phone is around, I get it on Lazada, is 1,200 something Malaysia ringgit, but I heard like a global is around 300 USD, which is quite cheap. But this phone, seriously, it doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels so premium. It's come with a Gorilla Glass 5. The back it is glass, and the front also Gorilla Glass 5. It feels so premium on my hand. Here it's come with a triple camera setup. This is the 48 megapixel cameras, and one is a telephoto and one is a wide angle lens, which give you a wider view of the picture. Let's put it up. Here it does have some juice. Let's wait it to boot up. As I mentioned, this is powered by Snapdragon 730, which is a not quite powerful chipset, I can say, but it is usable, which is good for normal users and not heavy in gaming. And this phone is running the MIUI 10, which is easy and nice to use. And just let me set up. Alright guys, now we are back. I've already set up the phone. This phone have a 6.4 inch display. It is AMOLED display. You can see the black color is very black, and the color is very vibrant and nice. It does also come with a in-fingerprint display. You can see by touching the screen here, I can unlock my phone easily. I can tell this is not the fastest, but it is not the worst either. For this price range, this phone is quite good and powerful compared to the others. The most standing out features for this phone is it is full display with no notch and a motorized camera. Let me show you about the camera. This have a pop-up camera, which is quite cool for this price range, because normally this kind of price range don't really have a full display and a motorized pop-up camera. Let me show you. It also comes with a sound. As you can see here, it also have a LED indicator. It's quite cool for this kind of phone, as you can see. I can say it's super cool with this price range. This premium feel of the phone is unbelievable. If you want to try for the Android phone, I recommend you to get this Xiaomi Mi 90, which is a great deal. I guess a lot of people have already reviewed it. It is a powerful phone because it is cheap and it's running by Snapdragon 730. But if you want more powerful for gaming, you can go for the Snapdragon 855, which is more powerful to run all the apps you are going to use, like if you are gaming like PUBG, everything. For this phone, it's come with a always on display, which one is lock screen. You can have your time here displayed out, and this phone does also come with a headphone jack, which now a lot of the flagship phones come without it. They get rid of it and then they only use the USB-C port, and this also is a USB-C port, support a 18-watt fast charging. And yet in behind here we have the Gorilla Glass 5 back, which is glass but will not have a wireless charging. I can tell the color is quite nice, but it will be like a fingerprint magnet. And here we can tell the camera bump is not that aggressive compared to the other flagship, so you won't like get a lot bumpy when you tap on your phone. So it's actually pretty good with this kind of price range. So I guess that's it. I'm going to review more about this phone soon later. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. Give a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to my channel.